Ever had your car act weird? Rough idle, random warning lights, or shifting like it forgot how to drive? And then the shop hits you with a $300 diagnosis fee. Here's the truth. A lot of these problems aren't real failures. Your car just needs a reset. Today I'll show you 7 simple resets you can do at home. No tools, no mechanic, and in most cases, completely free. Let's fix your car. Reset number 7, throttle relearn. Fix slow acceleration. You press the gas, and the car responds late. Feels laggy or jerky. That's usually your throttle system losing calibration. Quick fix. Turn ignition on, don't start. Slowly press gas pedal all the way down. Hold 5 seconds, release slowly, turn ignition off. Wait 10 seconds. Start the car and let it idle. This helps your car relearn how you press the pedal. Result, smoother and quicker acceleration. Reset number 6, ECU reset. Full system refresh. If your car feels off overall, bad mileage, weird shifting, random lights. The ECU, your car's brain, might be confused. Steps: disconnect the negative battery terminal. Wait 15 to 20 minutes, reconnect it, start the car and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes. This wipes old bad data and gives your car a fresh start. Reset number 5, transmission reset. Fix hard shifting. Car jerks when changing gears or hesitates before shifting. Your transmission might have learned bad driving patterns. Do this. Turn ignition on, press brake, move gear through all positions slowly. P to R to N to D. Pause 2 to 3 seconds in each. Start driving gently. This helps reset shift behavior. Expect smoother gear changes. Reset number 4, idle relearn. Fix rough idle. Car shaking at red lights. RPM jumping up and down. That's idle calibration. Steps: start car, no AC, no lights. Let it idle for 5 minutes. Turn AC plus headlights on to idle 5 more minutes. Turn everything off and drive normally. Your engine relearns how to stay stable. Result: smooth idle, no stalling. Reset number 3, steering reset, EPS fix. Steering suddenly feels heavy or weird. This happens often after a battery change. Fix it. Turn ignitions on. Turn steering fully left, then hold 5 seconds fully right, then hold 5 seconds. Bring it back to center. Start engine restores proper steering assist. Back to light, smooth control. Reset number 2, battery system reset. Installed a new battery and now things feel off. Modern cars still think the old battery is installed. Quick reset, ignition. On, press brake plus accelerator together for approximately 10 seconds. Release, turn off, then start normally. This helps your car recognize the new battery. Better charging, fewer random issues. Reset number 1, key fob / security reset. Car won't start, but battery is fine. Security light blinking, that's your immobilizer losing sync. Steps: insert key, turn to on, wait approximately 10 minutes until security light stops blinking. Turn off for 10 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 times, then start. This reconnects your key with the car. No dealer visit needed. Most people spend hundreds fixing problems. That could have been solved with a simple reset. Try these first, and you might save yourself a trip to the mechanic. Comment below which one worked for you, like if this saved you money, and subscribe for more smart car hacks. Next video, I'll show you how to make your engine run like new again.